You all know what is a multimeter, don't you? It's a device to measure electronic measurements, voltage, with two hands. As you see in the top left picture, multimeters haven't evolved a lot in the last decades. We have an augmented reality solution that can change this. My name is Carlos Arias. I work for GTD, a company in Germany. We are an established company working since 7 years ago for the space industry. We develop onboard and flight software. We participated 4 years ago in the development of an electronic box for an experiment in the International Space Station. Within this project, we realized that you need an enormous mental effort just to find where the electronic component that you want to measure is. You need to compare circuit diagrams. You need to compare bill of materials. You need to compare a functional diagram of your system with your real system. Remember, just to find where the component is. Imagine at the top right picture, this is a NASA nanosatellite, so a small satellite, should be less complex than others. They might have 200 signals. Do you imagine how many documentation they have just to find where the components are to measure? With the initial funding of the European Space Agency, we developed an augmented reality solution that takes the best of a multimeter because it's fast to deploy. It shows also time-dependent measurements, and also shows you the measurement and the display of the handheld device where the signal is generated. So you don't lose your mind contextualizing where is this signal in my system. So we believe with this technology we can save a lot of time of engineers testing and capturing signals. We are using this technology for ourselves in flight hardware for the International Space Station, but we are looking for pilot projects so that we can improve the usability of the system. We have, in summary, an affordable system, and it's liberating our mind to concentrate your efforts. Thank you very much.